Particular Java program is about printing the initial name of a person. So suppose if a name of a person is Ram Kumar Das, it will be printed as R.K.Das. So what can be the logic? So let me first of all discuss about the logic or the logical thinking which I have did to achieve this particular program. Then we will be moving into online GDB compiler to execute this particular piece of code. So let me first take this A. Write something like we'll be writing like Ram Kumar Das. This is the initial name. So I'll be using a loop. The loop would start from this position, that is zeroth position, and it would iterate all the way across to the end. So what I will be doing is that I will be having a temporary temp str, and this temp str will be plus equals to this str, that is str. The let me press Ctrl Z. Okay, so this particular string is within str, so it will be taking the str dot caret position, str dot caret zeroth position, and if it doesn't find a space, then what it will be doing is that it will be concatenating with this temp plus equals to this temporary string. And if it finds a blank space, what it will be doing is that it will be printing this temp, this particular temp, its caret zeroth position will be capitalized and a dot will be concatenated with it, and also this temp will be equal to null. It will be it will not null, it will be assigned the new value of blank space. The loop would go to this section, and in the else section last dash, it is not finding any spaces. So within temp str, what it will be having is that in the last loop we'll be having, in the temporary we'll be having this dash, and then we'll be having another loop. This temp would loop from this initial, from this D to this end of this particular string, and it would be capitalizing this first word, and it would print the rest of the line as it is. So let me move to online GDB compiler, and let's try to demonstrate what I'm trying to say. So instead of writing hello world, I will be writing that please enter your name, please enter your name, and we will be holding this inside as some variable. So I will be having a string of str. Within this I will be having this particular string, and also there will be another string, that is a temporary string, temp str. Initially it will be blank. Fine. Now if I am using scanner, let me write the two pieces of code. One is accepting the user using the scanner class, and then we will be taking the input using buffer editor class. So what I will be doing is that I will be writing scanner s equals to new scanner, and we can simply say that str equals to sc dot next line. So next line is for the scanner, and for buffer editor it is read line. So let me sys out this line. So let's see if sys out works. No, there is no s out. No, there is no s out also. Fine. System dot out dot println, and I will be simply printing this str. Let's see whether I am being able to accept user input or not. Let me run the program. There will be some error. I forgot to write the util the util package import. So this scanner is within util package. So import java.util.star. Let me run the program and see what happens. Fine, it's compiling. Okay, please enter your name, Ram Kumar and Das. Let me print this thing and see, Ram Kumar Das. Fine. So if you are using buffer reader, then you need to import java.io.star. So buffer reader is within IO package. So instead of writing scanner, we can simply write is that, and we can give any variable. So buffered reader, this buffer reader object is br equals to new buffer reader, and this buffer reader will be using some new input stream reader. So I need someone for to read some stream of character, and it will be reading from system.in. Fine. Now instead of writing next line, what we can see that we can write next br dot read line. The output will be the same, but the approach is different. First of all, we use scanner class, and this time we are using buffer. So read line, there is a problem. Okay, so whenever we are using buffer reader, we need to write it explicitly that throws IO exception. IO is in caps exception. Let's run the program one more time, and I don't think there will be a problem in any problem this time. So please enter your name, Ram Kumar Das. Ram Kumar Das. Now let's see what's the output. Ram Kumar Das. Now comes the logical portion of thinking how we can print the initial name. So we don't need this line anymore. We will be writing some for loop. We will be querying like for and int I equals to 0, and it will loop all the way across to the str.length. I mean till the end of that particular string, and it will be having I plus plus, and it will be concatenating. So if str.char function, so char is a inbuilt function in Java which I mean str.char position, which position it is taking the value. So I means 0 1, and if it is not equals to a space, that is entire RAM will be stored within. So temp str plus equals to this particular str.char ith position. So what if it finds a blank? If it finds a blank, what it will do is that it would be printing system.out.print. It would print the first character. So character dot to uppercase, character dot to uppercase, this particular temp str, and its char position 0th position, and it will be converting it to upper character. And apart from that, it will be also concatenating with a dot, and there will be a semicolon, and after that temp str will be blank, so that it can so initially it was Ram, then it is blank, then again it will be taking Kumar. So this for loop portion is completed. At the last of the for the Das, so Das after Kumar, the loop would still get executed since it is the I is less than equals to length, the length portion is not completed. So it is taking one character, and within Das there is no space. So at last we are having a temp str having dash. Now we'll be looping inside using in this particular dash. So int I equals to 0, and this time it will be I less than str dot length, not str, temp str dot length function, and I'll be having I plus plus, and we'll be printing something like if temp str dot maybe if I equals to 0. So if it is the initial position, then what it will be doing is that system dot out dot print ln, not print, or ln means new line character. So print, it will be taking this particular and it will be converting it to character dot to uppercase, and it will be taking this particular temp str and dot char function of 0. And what if the condition doesn't satisfy? I mean, what if it is not I equals to 0? Then in the else section it will be printing as it is. So system.out.print, this particular section, Control C, let me paste it in here, Control V, and we'll be having maybe a temp of str dot char, and it will be I. Fine. Now if everything, if the code is, I'll be showing you the whole code if it runs properly. Let me run the program and see if there are any compilation errors or not. So it's still having cannot find symbol str. So str at line 21. So str dot length, fine. br.readline, find str.length. It cannot find the symbol str.length of types variable length. of type string. So str.length is something like this one. uh, but let's check it out. Yeah, so length is the function. So okay, Ram Kumar Das is R.K.Das. Fine. So let me run the program one more time. I'll be giving this time maybe Ashit Kumar Jana, maybe Ashit Kumar Jana is not Jaba, it's Jana. So AK Jana. So here is the piece of program which I have did. So that's particularly this is the, so in the first for loop we are writing within the first I mean the first iteration it will be having Ashit, and whenever after reading of Ashit it is getting a blank character, then it is going to the else section, and it is Ashit's A is being capitalized and concatenated with a dot, and Ashit is being sent to a blank. Then it is again looping for the Kumar. So whenever after reading Kumar it is getting a blank, then it is going to the else section and it is printing K in caps. And after Kumar, this temp str is Ashit Kumar Jana. So Jana is being populated. I mean temp str is now holding Jana. So then I am going to temp str dot length, and if I equals to 0, then Jana, J will be capitalized and concatenated. There is no concatenation. We are simply else portion. We are taking each and every values of Jana, ANA. ANA is being concatenated from this position. So hope I am being able to explain this particular program to you guys, and you find it fascinating or maybe intuitive or whatever you I mean. So if you like this particular program, do throw some like, give some comment, and let me know if you need the driver code so that I can push this particular code in the GitHub repo, and you can download it and practice on your own. So basically throwing likes and giving comment to my videos, it boosts my motivation to make more of such videos in the future. So that's all for this guys, and happy coding, and thank you guys. Goodbye.